Hello guys, welcome back to your favorite channel, Wondershare Repairit. A robust and comprehensive file repair solution is here to fix your damaged files easily. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the solution for the PDF not opening error because in our time, a lot of people have asked about this issue. Portable document files, also known as PDFs, are important file extension types. They're used widely now in offices and various other institutions. Hence why it's annoying and frustrating when you run into the PDF will not open error, because it can really prevent you from doing your work. To help you out, we've come up with some really effective solutions in this video. Before highlighting them, consider subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell to be notified every time we upload. Instead of just landing on the solution, it's important to know why the file won't open on your device. Unsupported file type is the most common reason behind PDFs not opening. This means the file you're trying to open is incompatible with a PDF reader. An outdated PDF reader is also a common issue. If you're using an outdated version of a PDF reader, the device will throw a PDF not opening error every time you try to open the file. Corrupted PDF files are also an issue. If the PDF file is corrupted, there's a high likelihood it won't be able to open on your device. It's also possible you have a damaged PDF reader. This can happen if you're installing a product like Adobe Acrobat and the installation process is interrupted midway. And lastly, a virus. If a PDF file is infected with a virus, your device's security system can be blocking it and preventing it from opening. Now you're aware about the reasons why a PDF document might not open, it's time to learn about how to fix it. First, you should check whether the PDF file is damaged or not. It can be damaged during the creation process or while being transferred over email. In the second scenario, you can ask the sender to resend the file. However, you can also use a PDF repair software to try and fix the file. There's many tools available online, but we recommend Wondershare Repairit as it works with many file types and is hassle-free. Method 2. Disable the protected mode at startup. The latest versions of Adobe Reader are loaded with protected mode, which runs files in a sandbox. This feature protects your system from infection by malicious codes to your system's directories or Windows registry. Moreover, there's also a protected mode when many of the features remain disabled. To identify the protected mode, check for the yellow ribbon at the top of the document. Because of this, the PDF file you may try to open will fail to load. To fix this, you should disable the protected mode. To do this, go to Edit and Open Preferences. Select Security Enhanced from the Categories list. Now visit the Sandbox Protection section and disable Enable Protected Mode at Startup. Next, click Yes and OK and restart Adobe to proceed further. Method 3. Run Adobe Acrobat as an administrator. If the other methods don't work, run Adobe Acrobat as an administrator to provide full access to your system. This will allow Windows to open the PDF files easily. To do so, right-click on Adobe and go to Properties. After that, click on Shortcut. Go to Advanced and then check the box Run as Administrator. At the end, hit the OK button to provide full access to your operating system. When it comes to repairing a PDF file, the easiest way to do it is the Wondershare Repairit program. It's an amazing tool that can repair corrupted files in just a few seconds, depending on the file size. Step 1. Download and install Wondershare Repairit from its official website and run it on your system. Click on More Types Repair, and then on File Repair from the dashboard. For locating and adding a file type, you must click on the Add button. To repair the file, click on Repair and wait for the process to complete. At the end, click OK. After watching this video, you'll never have to deal with a PDF cannot open error ever again. We've tried to put together all the possible solutions so that you can open up a PDF file smoothly. Ultimately, if nothing works, you can use Wondershare Repairit to fix the damaged file. Easy peasy, isn't it? Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully, we fixed your issue without any additional effort required.